We know the past year has been challenging following Hurricanes Debby, Helene, and Milton. Rebuilding is a huge task, and we want to help you make the permit process as safe and smooth as possible. If your repairs are already underway or complete, act now to secure your after-the-fact storm permit. If you apply before the June 30th deadline, we will waive the penalty fee, which is double the standard permit fee. Getting a permit is also a necessary step to qualify for financial help through our People First Hurricane Recovery programs, which offer up to $50,000 in reimbursements. To get started, call 727-464-3888, option 5. Email stormpermitting@pinellas.gov or visit pinellas.gov/after. In this video, we'll cover standard permitting fees, why you need an after-the-fact permit, and the steps to get one. We'll also explain why after-the-fact permits are required if you request reimbursement through the People First Hurricane Recovery programs. We'll end with a few guidelines for residents who own condominiums, manufactured homes, or short-term rental properties. The penalty fee waiver applies for all residents who live in unincorporated Pinellas County and our 6 partner communities: Belleair Beach, Belleair Shore, Indian Rocks Beach, Kenneth City, Oldsmar, and Safety Harbor. Penalties typically cost double the standard permit fees, so applying now can save you money. If you live in another part of the county, such as Clearwater or St. Petersburg, please check with your town or city for more information about their permitting processes. While penalties are waived through June 30th, 2026, standard permit fees still apply. Permit fees help ensure your project is safe and up to code. They cover the cost of maintaining records, plan reviews by licensed examiners, inspections by certified building inspectors, and the systems that support these services. Permit fees vary based on the scope of your project. Our staff can help you estimate your fees and answer any questions you may have. If you got a letter or postcard from the county about after-the-fact permitting and have any questions, give us a call at 727-464-3888, option 5, or email stormpermit@pinellas.gov. Even if your home didn't have storm damage, we will talk through the details of your situation and guide you through the next steps. You can also drop by our offices at 440 Court Street in Clearwater, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. In many cases, we can issue permits the same day once you have the right documents in hand. Sometimes homeowners make repairs or upgrades before a permit is pulled. An after-the-fact permit is how you make it right, so work can be reviewed, documented, and inspected to make sure it is code compliant. This protects your family's safety, creates an official record for insurance and resale, and helps avoid costly delays or enforcement down the road. We're here to help you make things right and keep you and your family safe. If you need financial assistance to repair storm damage from Hurricanes Debby, Helene, or Milton, or if you would like to be reimbursed for your storm repairs, Pinellas County's People First Hurricane Recovery programs may be able to help. Residents who made repairs and became compliant with an after-the-fact storm permit are eligible to apply for these programs. They offer home repairs, reconstruction, reimbursement for certain costs, home buyer assistance, and support for local landlords. Apply today at recover.pinellas.gov. You may also call 727-606-3307 or email recover@pinellas.gov. These programs are open to all county residents except residents of St. Petersburg, which has its own program, Sunrise St. Pete. Note that there are income eligibility limits. These are explained on the website. At pinellas.gov/after, you'll find checklists and forms for residential homes, condominiums, and manufactured homes. Typical items you'll need include photos of the work, contractor information, or homeowner affidavit, and a narrative description of the cost of repairs. The website explains exactly what applies to you. If you live in a condo, please speak with your condo association before you contact us. This will avoid delays in sending paperwork twice. Many associations require board approval, so check with them to confirm requirements and documentation. For manufactured homes, a standard permit fee is a flat $75. After June 30th, an after-the-fact permit fee for mobile and manufactured homes will increase to $150. Don't leave one of your most precious assets in limbo. We want to ensure your recovery is safe and more affordable, but time is running out. Starting July 1st, the penalty for unpermitted storm repairs returns, doubling your total permit cost. A finalized permit is also a requirement to stay eligible for up to $50,000 in repair reimbursements through our People First Hurricane Recovery programs. Get your after-the-fact storm permit by June 30th to waive the penalty and protect your investment. Call 727-464-3888, option 5. Email stormpermitting@pinellas.gov or visit pinellas.gov/after to get started today.